Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kaying Bishar Meghalaya High Court kabalasyong Bishar biang ha ka Pratarik Unailar Arajar Arpusaw ya ka mokat duma balamudui da ka sengniam Hindu halor ka jingbam ay jingbet jong ka dorbar shnong Mawsynram banrung syapok ka krem maujung bun ha ka jingya yatra ka banlong ha ka shipau tarik bat ka khatway tarik Unailar Arajar Arpusaw uba VG kenta ubalami khmat kumunong side an jong ka dorbar shnong Mawsynram haying Bishar Haga jing yakren bat kilat patay kubor hadien balami na ying Bishar. Ulayat ho bakumba kalong menta kay ying Bishar kalabata ya kadorbar sinong Mawsynram ban Shim yakaray. Haga jo kapor ulayat ho baka ying Bishar kan sa syong Bishar biang yakane kakam. Haga khatsaw tarik Unailar Arajar Arpusaw. Daga jing bata jong ginong Bishar ka Deputy Commissioner bat u Superintendent of Police jong ka East Khasi Hills District. Kila lek mi khmat siya kay ying Bishar haga ni ka jo hi kasngi.
The Dorbashong has got every right to refuse permission because when we lay down some guidelines, some SOP, when we give some conditions, if that is violated, what do you have to do? We reject, we refuse. Here we have got the local NDC of that area who is also taking care of the interests of the people of Mawsynram. So you can ask from our NDC also. Residents of the village of Mawsynram are the stakeholders. Lada mangar ngadi nong song jong Mawsynram ngadi stakeholder
no, that we understand. I mean, from the point English. Of like in yatra, this that whether these
when
people
you talk
also
about yatra, what is the simple English meaning of yatra?
Pilgrimage.
Means, no, not pilgrimage. You got it wrong. It is a journey. It's a trip.
Yeah, pilgrimage.
When you say pad yatra, means you go on foot. You take a journey by foot. This is a yatra. If they are going as a yatra, they will go by vehicle, by car, not on foot. So yatra to me is a journey, it's a trip.